Ano pinagkakabalahan ni Brian ngayon?
Nagtatrabaho po ako sa po.
Or ano yun?
Sa mga race po. Sa
Saan?
mga event po ako sa race.
Okay. Anong ginagawa mo?
Ano po, staff po ako doon.
Staff.
It's been a long and winding journey, but I find you here tonight. I'm picking up the pieces, walking back into the lights, into the sunset of your glory. When my heart and future lie, there's nothing like that feeling. When I look into your eyes, my dreams came true. When I found you, I found you. My miracle, if you could see what I see, but you're the answer to my prayer. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know, it would be clear that angels brought me here to be with you. I'll be forever grateful, oh, forever thankful. My dreams came true when I found you. My miracle. If you could see what I see, but you're the answer to my cry. And if you could feel the tenderness I feel, you would know, it would be clear. The angels brought me. And if you
Okay. Thank you. Brian, paano ka kumanta pagka yung natural na boses?
Ano po, ganito po. Hindi
Ganyan
ko po kaya
talaga.
mag-boss lalaki.
Okay. Yun. Isa pa, ano pa?
take me back into the arms I loved, me to me like you did before. Touch me once again and remember when there was no one that you wanted to know. No, you know you break when she walks away. And you know I'll be standing there still.